So today we are starting lesson number 9, which is about double Dhamma. Okay, so before we start this, let me give you a short review about your previous science because you are taking your class after a long time. So I think it's important. So first of all, you have completed the three signs which we will call movement signs, where we have Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, right? And those
Yeah.
three signs we will called movement signs, and the sound of Fatha was A, sound of Kasra E, and sound of Dhamma U.
Ooh.
Then we started the double Fatha and double Kasra. And
Yes.
double Fatha sound was An, and double Kasra sound in. Now we have the lesson number 9, which is about double Dhamma, and the sound of double Dhamma is Un.
Un.
Okay,
Un.
again we add the sound of Noon with the sound of Dhamma. So the Dhamma sound was U, and when we add the sound of Noon, so it will become Un.
Un.
Yes. So this is the sign which we will call double Dhamma, and the double Dhamma looks like two Dhammas on the top, where the first one is looks like a tiny wow, and the second one is upside down.
Yes.
I'm the side. Okay, so what is the sound of double Dhamma?
It's like a yin and yang.
No, no, no. The sound of double Dhamma.
Un.
Yes. And how the double Dhamma looks like?
It's like a yin and yang.
Sorry?
It's like uh. It's like one is outside, the other one is inside.
Yeah, upside down.
Upside down.
The one looks like a tiny wow, and the other one is upside down. Like the same sign, but upside down.
Correct.
Okay, so let's read A'udhu Billah in Bismillah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Okay, start from here.
This one is un.
Next.
Bun. Tun.
Next.
Sun. Sun. Jun. Hun. Hun. Dun. Zun. Run.
No, no. See, brother, you are doing the same mistake which you were doing last time. That you are making the echo sound like run. If you
Oh,
untouch
yes.
your tongue, so it will
Yes.
become wrong sound. You don't have to untouch until you finish it. It will be run and finish your.
Run.
Yes.
Zun. Sun. Shun. Sun. Dun.
Next.
Tun. Dun.
Zun.
Zun. Un.
Next.
Wait, the last one. That's Ain.
Yeah, that was Ain.
So is it un or is it hun? Is un? Okay. Okay. Next. Ain. Run. Gun. Fun.
Pun.
Fun.
Next.
Gun.
Not gun. It's off. Kun.
Gun.
No, no, no. See, it's not gun. It's off. Kun.
Kun.
Yeah.
Lun.
No, no, no.
No, no. Kun. Lun. Mun. Nun. Fun.
Read again.
Wun.
Hmm.
Hun. Hun.
Un.
Un. Yun.
Okay. Now tell me what is the name of the sign?
Double. Dun.
Double.
Double Donma.
Yes. Double Damma. Okay.
Double Donma.
Damma.
Damma.
Yes. Double Damma is also known as Dammatan.
Sorry, come again.
Double Dhamma known as Dhammatan.
Donma 10, like number
10.
10.
Dhammatan. Yes, actually, this is the second name of double Dhamma, or you can say in Arabic language we call it double Dhammatan. So for Fatha, double Fatha, we will say Fatahtan. For double Kasra, we will say
Fataha
Kasratan.
10.
And for double Dhamma, we will say Dhammatan.
Donma 10.
Yes, so double fatha, double kasra, and double dhamma. These three signs are called tanween sign. Okay, this is the
Diff-
same like you have learned for fatha, for movement sign like fatha, kasra, dhamma. These three signs are called movement signs. So these three signs like double fatha, double kasra, double dhamma, we will called tanween sign.
the what sign?
Tanween.
10 meme.
Can you see the computer screen?
Tan. Tanween.
Yes.
Tanween. 10 for. Copy.
Okay. Double fatha, double kasra, double dhamma are called tanween sign.
Tanween sign.
Yeah, and which letter sound hide in tanween?
Sorry?
Which letter sound hide in tanween signs?
Tanween.
Which letter hide? Like there is one letter sound hide in tanween signs.
Tanween. Oh, it's a double kasra.
No, no. See, in double fatha, double kasra, double dhamma, I told you there is one sound which is hide. That was noon sound. The sound of
Tanween.
noon. Like I told you that the sound of noon is hide in tanween signs. So in double fatha is an. So the sound of noon is hide. An in the end. In
Oh,
double
yes.
kasra in. So in again the sound of noon is hide. We don't write the letter noon or the sound of noon, but we pronounce it because that is hide. In double dhamma, un. So the sound of again hide in double dhamma.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start the exercise. Yes, here, are you there?
Yes. Surah Run.
Read again.
Su sururun.
Hmm. Sururun.
Sururun.
Next.
Uzu. U, uzunun.
Yes, correct. Next.
Ku, kutubun.
Next.
Rusudun.
Lun.
Rusulun.
Next.
Ra, is this Rajilun?
Jim also has a Damma on it.
Sorry?
Jim also has a Damma on it.
Yes.
Yeah, so read Jim with Damma.
So it's a. Oh, sorry. Rajulun.
Yes. Next.
Ju. Da. No. Is that that or is that. Is that that or is that.
See, the last both letters are same.
Okay, okay. So, Jura. No, no. Judadun.
Yes. Next.
A. Ahadun.
Next.
Kasadun.
Uh-huh.
No, no. Kasawun.
No.
Kasamun.
Yes.